Yo, guys, I'm actually shocked. I'm actually shocked. In a cruise ship, we came to the pizza restaurant in a cruise ship, right? So we thought, okay, we're just gonna order pizza each. I'm shocked. Look at this.
Guys, look.
Look at
This
this.
is so big.
Big thing. Madam K, did you expect this?
I didn't expect this
Huh?
big. This big. I didn't expect it to be this big.
Hey, it's big. Imagine.
Like, guys. It's too big.
Yo, look at mine. This is my pizza. This is my boy's pizza. He's already eating. And she didn't order pizza, so
No,
she
no,
thought
get
the
here,
night
I'll
was
get
gonna be
there.
she ordered this. She didn't know it was gonna be coming like this.
Don't
Now,
worry, I'll get it. Guys,
now
no,
she's coloring.
I can't finish this.
Now I'm gonna eat it from Mumbai. So we are actually in a cruise ship, restaurant. This is a cruise ship restaurant. You can see there. We're all eating.
I really wanted pizza, but I didn't expect it to be this big.
It's big. So I'm just gonna eat, guys, because I can't.
Go look at
So, guys,
it.
you know what, ne? I can't. Not this is for me. I ate and I'm done. I can't. Because remember, we just ate buffet, And we came here thinking we are going to get a small pizza. My wife is done eating also. She can't finish it. At least my daughter tried. She finished it. That one tried, finished it. This one also finished it.
She tried, but she can't stand up now. She's struggling. Look.
My papa, what's wrong?
Knock.
Oh, shame. Oh, shame. My babe, at least you tried. Ne?
Too much.
So this one at least 8, So, guys, we're not allowed to take these to our rooms. We're not allowed because of food is galore. So we're gonna leave it like this. They are going to throw them away. Unfortunately, we can't pack it. It's not allowed to take food into the rooms. No doggy bag is allowed. So all this is gonna stay here. They are going to take it and they're gonna throw it away. So unfortunately, guys. So let's go.
Daddy, look. It's fixed. You are complaining.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Daddy, look.
Okay, come.
Daddy.
Hola,
Look.
hola. Jake, you must put the knife.
You're complaining.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so here, guys, we are done. This is the restaurant we're eating at. This is where they make all this. This is where they make all this stuff. They got nice things here, and all this, just a mixture. See there, they are making another one, another pizza there. You see, that one has got meat, matota. Oh, this one has got meat. It's nice. Yeah, so they're making pizzas here, guys, and everything. So you can come and eat and sit and relax. This is the stairs on the cruise ship. This is deck 4. Deck 4, right? This is deck 4. Deck 4, right? So that's how it is. Hello. So at least I didn't know there's a restaurant there. So at least they're sitting there. They're eating there. Hello. Enjoy. All right. So they are really enjoying themselves. And here also Madala is coming down, and also there as well. It's such a beautiful place to be. Beautiful restaurant. You understand? So anyway. So here, guys, you are able to get orange, apple juice. Here you got multivitamin. It's a mixture of everything. And then there's a Foods tea, and there's Coke Zero, Sprite, Fanta, and there's an original Coca-Cola. Right. So you can actually come and have fun. And have here you can have your press, right? You can have your coffee machine. You can make yourself coffee. latte, macchiato. You've got coffee milk, espresso. You've got cappuccino, coffee, chocolate, hot water, and chocolate milk. So all this is all inclusive. There's 2 machines. You can also make some coffee there. There's everything there, glasses, so forth. So it's such a nice one. And tell me, this what is this in English?
Kukurma.
Tuma?
Kukurma.
But what is this? It's tea, but what's the name of this? This tea.
Kukurma.
Kukurma.
Kurkuma.
It's turmeric and ginger.
Yes.
Oh, turmeric and ginger. Turmeric and ginger. So this is only when you are, sometimes, let's say maybe you are feeling sick, seasick and stuff like that. You can also use that. It will help you, say. And the throat also. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. So here, this is the restaurant where you get everything. You can come at night, if you are hungry. This is 24 hours. They don't close. You can come and get a burger here. They've got everything here. At night, you can come and have some meat, some nice meal, and so forth. So here they make everything, all the burgers and everything. Sorry. All the burgers and everything. So you can, have yourself. Even down there, there's a restaurant. You see there? There's a restaurant, there's a bar also there. So anyway, my family went to. Thank you so much. My family is here. I thought maybe they went to the 4th floor. I thought they left me. So these are the lifts, guys. These are the lifts. You can see here, right? You're able to see where you are, which floor, and so forth. Here's the ship. They show you all the things that are there on the ship and so forth. Right. So we are now going down. What do they call them? Who are wearing? What do they call it? Captain. Oh, the captains. Yeah. So these are the captains. Captain. Yeah, I wanted to see outside, guys. Let me see outside. No. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm coming. Right, guys. Here, the cruise ship is too low, right? So this is the small boats. It carries about 150 people. These boats are for emergencies, right? As you can see, we are cruising, guys. We are cruising already. We are cruising. You can't feel it. The ship is moving, but you can't feel it. It's a pity here. There's no, the water is on the other side. It's a sea. But let me quickly go up. You can see there. The ship has got, 18th floor. So I enter here. All right. So this is the inside of the cruise ship. Hello. Right. So now we're going to the 4th floor. Are we on the 5th floor? Where are we? Are we on the 5th floor? Madam K? So we're going to the 4th floor. I want to see the casino, guys. Where's the casino?
Jake wants to play games.
6th floor. 5th floor, upstairs. Okay, I'll go to the casino tomorrow. Okay, so here, this is where we're upstairs. So now here, we're going to the other side. Yeah, the cruise ship is too big, guys. Could be too big. So we're going up to the other side, right? So you can see, guys, it's such a beautiful ship. Such a beautiful ship. Inside here there's shopping malls, the shops. The shopping malls. As you can see there, the shops. You can come inside and buy anything you want. Some clothing, and everything. The clothes. Everything is there. All right. So guys, it's so beautiful. Sometimes. So this is my family. This is my family. This is my wife. This is my wife. Those are my daughters. Right? And you can see there. Right. Madam K?